as we know, the world is being hit by unprecedented and unexpected occasion of COVID-19 virus, which is being diversely affecting to the India as well as the rest of the world. So as stated by our chairman, Mr. Anand Mahindra, Mr. MD, Mr. Pawan Goenka, and our manufacturing chief, Mr. Kalra, and as well as our senior, Mr. Nasir Deshmukh, M&M is going to be supplied for low-cost ventilators as well as those are going to support the facilities of Club Mahindra for the COVID-19 patients. So in that aspect, as we know, Mr. Narendra Modi, who is the Prime Minister of India, has declared that for 21 days, India is going to be under lockdown. So from humanitarian aspect, we thought why we cannot have a facility at our home end which could be developed for low cost automation type of thing which can support the last stage of COVID-19 patients. As we know, the ventilation facility is being very crucial as the COVID-19 is being very exponential to the respiratory system of the human being. So viewing at that aspect, we have benchmarked the Igatpuri model which Nasir sir has developed, and benchmarking that model we have developed a model which is a low cost and can be applied to any region. Now we have developed this model in-house since we have been locked down in the home. So this has been developed or it has been made in-house with the help of a team which conspires of Mr. Praveen Lakhe, Mr. Sameer Sonal, Mr. Sardev Masukar, myself Manoj More, under the guidance of Mr. Manish Shetty, Scorpio Body Shop, Nasik, Plant 1, Mahindra and Mahindra, Nasik. So let me explain the system to you. This is a 3 linkage mechanism what we have developed. Now you can clearly see the prominent elements are, we have used the nebulizer which is used for respiratory or cold syndrome for children's, which provides us the fresh oxygen from the atmosphere. The next element is the DC motor which operates on 10 volts. Next thing is we have used the mechanical wheel and the 3 linkage mechanism, first one, second one and third one. We have developed a 3 linkage mechanism which transfers the rotary motion into the reciprocatory motions. Now the most important element in any ventilator system is the ambi valve. That is the respiratory valve. This is the ambi valve. This is the tube which is being inflating the oxygen, and this is the tube which is being supplied to the patient for help of the respiration. Now there are 2 systems of respirations or ventilators used in 2 systems, that is the incubation and excavation. The incubation is extensively used when the patient has got a severe syndrome that he cannot take the oxygen, which is the essential element of the respiratory system, and the second one is the excavation system in which the CO2 cannot be inflated from the human body. So looking at the aspect that the India or the world is facing, the incubation system, the oxygen intake is being very limited because of the immune system is down for the most of the patient. So we have developed a model for incubation type of a system. Now for the incubation of the system, the motor supplies a wheel, a motion. The 3 linkage mechanism transfers the motion to the rotary form, and the rotary form is being transferred into the linear form. Now this is a ambi valve which is being narrated with this help of tubing. Now the another question goes into mind, how to control the amount of air that has to be inducted through the lungs of the human system, because it is the most crucial element. The more amount of air can damage a lung and less amount of air will have a more respiratory problem. So for that, what the in-house or what the simplest solution, we do have the IV sets for the normal saline procedure in the hospital. The same wall is being used. Now you can see the wall which is being used at the outlet of ambi bag. Now this wall can be rotated like this way, this way. Through this, the amount of air inducted in the patient lungs can be controlled in an effective way. Now let's see the demonstration how the equipment functions. Now you can clearly see the oxygen intake through the nebulizer has been started. The bag is being floating with the oxygen. Now the mechanism will start. It's a simple mechanism. Now you can clearly see through this the air is being inflated, which will directly go into the lungs of the patient, which will provide a fresh amount of oxygen, which will inhale the respirating capacity of the patient. Also, not to remind you, this puppet valve or this ambi wall can be controlled through this puppet wall. So you can also control the amount of oxygen inflated into the patient lungs through this system as well as through this system. So in short, we are standing by humanity. We are for the humans, for good well-being of humans, and as our Mahindra Rise philosophy says, let's rise, but rise with help of each other for betterment of humanity. Very proud to say we have manufactured this in-house in a lockdown period in just below 4,000 bucks. Friends, we are not saying that this model can be applied as it is. This is just a figure point that how the system can be developed and can be demonstrated and can be used. So कुछ ना होने से कुछ तो होना बेहतर है. That's it from our team. Good luck for fighting Corona.